Hi guys, over here I'm my Volvo XC90. I've installed a Steelmate TPMS in my car in the internal TPMS, and I have been getting this kind of low battery error because I think the receiver for the Steelmate is now aged and it cannot hold its charge, and the solar panel doesn't really charge it fast enough, and sometimes it will go up one bar or two under the direct sun, but then after that it will just drop to empty, almost empty, over a few days. So now I'm trying to install a Volvo internal TPMS which has the frequency of 433 megahertz. This is the frequency that is for the XC90. I'm not too sure about the other Volvo, and I realized that the Steelmate internal TPMS sensor is actually the same, or 433 point something something. And now I will try to use Orbit to configure the uh, settings and then see if my XC90 reads the Steelmate TPMS. So over here, currently I have the wheel sensor TPMS. So I will do a change in the settings, and later I'll see if it works. If it doesn't, that means you really have to go and buy one that is for the Volvo. Right, let's do it. So now we are connected to my Orbit, and the first thing you have to do is to go to configurator and then type in TPMS and show everything. Three items will be displayed over here. ID 019, 020, 261, just search TPMS and all three will display here. Then for the settings, currently indirect TPMS will be as such, so we'll change from without to TPMS WBLUS algorithm. WBL stands for wheel-based location, which means that they will, or the system will read the TPMS individually from each wheels and smartly locate them on whether it is front right, front left, rear right, rear left. Then for the setting over here, TPMS menu, you have to go to TPMS with TPMS show pressure, or you can do reset or show pressure. I will choose this number 5. Then for the indirect TPMS system, we have to disable it, and we have to go to without direct TPMS. Then we will write this to the car. Let's go.
A few moments later.
Now we are back to our car. The settings has been written to the Sensus, and it is now not displaying any pressure. You have to drive for a few minutes before it will read the TPMS sensors. One thing is when you are driving, you just click on calibrate, and you should be able to read your sensors and see if this Steelmate TPMS is compatible with the Volvo system. Let's go.
1 hour later.
Alright, I've driven my car for a while and also changed a few settings. I'll show you over here. I've changed the TPMS over here. Instead of WBL, I've also used the other uh, settings over here, even WBA, WBA EU, or even China algorithm. And I would conclude that the uh, TPMS from Steelmate is not compatible with the Volvo system. The Steelmate is using 433.9 something megahertz when I Google it. And I'm not too sure whether Volvo uses the same figure. It might be 433 point 1 for 2. I'm not too sure. So with that, I can conclude that you will not be able to use the other brands of the TPMS sensors on your wheel for the Volvo system. It might also be because there's another protocol that the system has to read. Therefore, I will change back my settings to indirect TPMS, which uses the wheel sensor, and I will also go to Taobao and or AliExpress for the US buyers to get a OEM TPMS that is compatible with Volvo. So I will make another video of it after I get it next month, and let's see if it works then, right? All right. I hope this video helped if you are looking to use Steelmate TPMS like me on the Volvo system. Therefore, if you like this video, do like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.